Here's how your body heals a broken bone in 4 perfect steps. Stage 1, inflammation. A blood clot forms instantly, stabilizing the fracture and starting cleanup. Stage 2, soft callus. Next, your body builds a soft, flexible callus, like a natural bridge. Stage 3, hard callus. That soft tissue turns into hard bone as minerals fill the gap. Stage 4, remodeling. Finally, the new bone reshapes itself along the lines of stress, making it even stronger. Save and share this. Your body is incredible.